Hi everybody, this is Lauren of planmoshplan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This is for the week of February the 5th through the 11th. This is a kit called Staycation from GP Sticker Studio. I absolutely love it. It's totally a kit that's I think was meant to be used for fall, or like the clip art came out in fall, and yeah, there was a ton of shops that use this clip art, but hers was my favorite by far. And I didn't get a chance to use it in fall. And even though I'm going back and doing some rewind spreads from fall in my planner, my last year's planner, I really wanted to, I love this kit so much, I wanted to make it like a main spread, if that makes sense, not like a old rewind spread that's just for my eyes, you know? Oh, by the way, this is a Signo DX pen in, oh my god, I'm having so much trouble getting that to focus. Hello. There we go. Uniball Signo DX in 0.38. I get a lot of questions about pens from GP Sticker Studio for sure, and just in general on my videos. Lately I've been liking finer tip pens like that one. But this kit in particular is on matte paper. It's like, I wouldn't say it's, I don't know if she markets it as a premium matte, but it's like a really nice buttery matte. It's different than anybody else's I've ever seen before, in that like the backing of it is clear. When you pull the sticker up, you'll probably see it at some point. So it's like a different paper than any shop that I've personally bought from uses. But it's really nice. It's not quite as vibrant as the glossy or the vinyl. Her vinyl is my favorite. Although she did recently just switch her vinyl. I got, what did I just get? Oh, I just got her, I think February, mystery subscription box. And that I think had the new vinyl, which looked really, really nice. Maybe a little bit thicker than her old one. But yeah, you do need permanent markers to write on those. You don't need permanent markers to write on see how that's clear? Isn't that interesting? Anyways, you don't need permanent markers to write on these. You can use literally anything you want. What else did I miss? I kind of just am putting down the base and the sidebar stuff, just kind of like as it's intended to be used. So nothing crazy that I feel like I need to talk about. Oh, I did choose the marble date covers, which I really liked. Most of our kits include 2 sets of date covers, and they have so much stuff in them that you can get away with using them for 2 weeks. That rose gold foiled sticker that says to do is from Nicole Alexia Designs. I did choose to use rose gold. I feel like it's the obvious choice for this kit, and those are the work ones as well right there that I'm about to put down. I don't know if she has offered those. I know when Nicole Alexia Designs originally released those, it was just in the rose gold, and I don't know if she ever did silver and gold foil too. I should check, because I really like that font a lot. I think those stickers are really pretty. I went off on a tangent, but I feel like I had more to say about the kit. I don't know. Something I will say that I did, because I've been having problems the past couple of weeks with like doing I've been putting my full boxes, having them lined up with the bottom of the full boxes in the planner, and that means that the top of the full boxes kind of overlaps into the date cover area, which I didn't like. So this week, and actually last week too, I started I laid the boxes down. You'll see I'm doing it now. I'm lining the header up with the top of the box, and then lining the box up with that, so the date covers, you can see I'm doing right now, they don't kind of infringe on the space, or the headers don't infringe on the space of the date covers. But the date covers still, just because of like the design of the Erin Condren, they still kind of like go into the Y of the February or the Y of the January. I can't wait till March, where I'm assuming that won't be an issue anymore. But I've been just taking my like pen and kind of drawing the black in of the Y where the date cover covered it. So I don't mind how that looks at all. So yeah, I'm just using the like rose gold glitter header kind of colored headers to go on top of all the full boxes, and I'm placing those in every other spot, like I think I started top row, middle row, top row, middle row, all across my planner. I didn't put any full boxes in the bottom row. I like doing that sometimes just because I feel like since I'm a white space planner, there can be like a lot of like a big block of color at the bottom with the bottom washi. So sometimes I do like to just keep the whole bottom row like white spacey, and that looks a little bit more balanced to me. Or sometimes I'll just put like 1 or 2 boxes down there instead. And then I put the today headers underneath each of the full boxes, and then I chose the odds and ends header to put on top of all the remaining full boxes, and I did that because I liked the color of it better than the to-do one. Also, I don't know why, this is such a silly thing because like it's my planner, I can do whatever I want, but sometimes when there's like a to-do header, I don't like putting stuff under it that aren't like to-dos, if they're like things that are like more like, I don't know how to quite describe it. Anyways, doesn't really matter. Okay, starting with Monday, I used that sticker. Sorry if it offends you, I hope it doesn't. It's from the Planner Sophisticate and My Newest Addiction sampler. And it says OMFG, which I won't say what that really means, but basically everyone knows I have a horrible commute. I talk about it all the time because it's the bane of my existence, and they are like redoing the parking lot and like the whole kind of like area around the train that I commute on at my station, and it has been a literal nightmare. So they closed one of the parking lots on Monday, and it's made my like honestly getting onto my BART train in the morning wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but getting off my BART train, like normally from the parking lot to the freeway is like, I don't know, it takes me 4 minutes, and it took me 20 minutes on Monday. So that was fun. Anyways, the rest of the day, let me see what I did. I put a to-do list just for some to-dos. My time card was due. Oh, and then I had like a lazy night, so I put a Bobby, I think this is Bobby, the Stockholm girl, on top of the box, a half box at the bottom there. You'll see it, I'm sure, at the end of this day. Yeah, so that was Monday. Sorry, I was talking about my commute too much to actually describe it. Okay, and then I had a ton of meetings this week, and it wasn't even that I had so many, but some of them were just really, really long. So the way I marked work this week was with the work header from Nicole Alexia Designs, and then a rose gold and kind of like pinky nude bow from My Newest Addiction, and then I used the asterisks in the kit for like the smaller meetings, and because I had more meetings than asterisks for some of the like larger meetings that I had that were like 3 hours long, I used like a half box and stuff, just kind of depending. Okay, and then I cut up a 3-heart checklist at the bottom. Sorry, this part's out of frame. There we go. I think I'm about to move it back into frame, but yeah, so like this was one of the meetings that I had that was like 3 hours long today, or on Tuesday. So I used like a kind of an appointment label type box from the kit, and a work script and doodle from the kit as well. My boyfriend came over on Wednesday night and spent the night with me, so I used a rose gold heart from Clever Gal Crafts. I'm not sure of the colorway, I apologize. It has like that brown and a green, I think, on it. I don't know, I can't remember. So sorry. I got a blowout on Wednesday night, and I used a lipstick from the deco of the kit and that half box that was really pretty. Wednesday night I actually got a blowout. I've been like kind of lazy and been getting blowouts instead of just dry styling, which I normally do, and it's been so nice to have other people wash my hair. Which is like the height of laziness. But that's okay. Okay, this is another like really long meeting that I had that I went to, so I marked it the same way that I marked my other meetings, but in a half box instead of with asterisks. But yeah, again, those bows are from My Newest Addiction in the rose gold, and the work is from Nicole Alexia Designs. And then this I didn't really know how to mark, and I don't know if I love it, but that's okay. So there was like, I think there's 5 women in my department who've had babies in the past like 5 or 6 months. So three of them brought their babies in. Their husbands brought their babies in on Wednesday for like an hour at lunch, and we all had lunch with all the babies, and it was so much fun. I was like, oh my God, baby fever, but not like I don't actually want a baby right now, but they're just so cute. They were all about, I think, 4 months old, 5 months old, in that range. And they were just like, it was, I don't know how, I was so impressed. I was like, all these husbands got the babies here to my workplace on time, like fed, happy, clean clothes, super cute, napped, like a good job, because that's impressive to have 3 babies, like all good for that amount of time at the same time for like an hour. Yeah, but it was fun. And then, okay, so Thursday I had a ton of meetings again. I marked those with the flag checklist, because again, I didn't have enough of the asterisk, but the same work header and paperclip. And then, Thursday. Did I say Wednesday? I don't know. This to-do list, I never actually filled in. I totally should have, but I don't know. I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, whoops. I had to-dos on Thursday. I guess I could go back and put them in. But yeah, I took a strip of marble washi and then the to-do script from Nicole Lexia Designs. I don't know if everybody else is like this, but... Oh, wait, actually. Hold on. I'm putting this quarter box down with a bow because my boyfriend got promoted, and this is a rewind spread, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that, but I was super proud of him. He's been working really hard for that, so I marked that with a little bow. That was from the Sophie colorway too, by the way, from Clever Gal Crafts. What was I saying? Oh, I don't know if everybody else is like this, but for me personally, when I use like a foiled script in my planner, I like to only use like the same scripts. So I wouldn't use like some from Nicole Lexia Designs and then some from like, I don't know, Rose Colored Days or something. If they're like to mark the same kind of things. I guess there's like a couple exceptions in here, but I wouldn't like switch back and forth between work headers or something. Anyways, I guess that's kind of weird. So the team lunch that I marked with a coffee cup, I don't know, I just thought the coffee cup was cute and I didn't have anything else that I wanted to use, so I marked that. We went to a team lunch on Friday, which again took up a big chunk of time, but it was really nice. I'm like, yeah, I'll take a free lunch. And then on Friday night, I'm marking with that same heart from Clever Gal Crafts, and that date night script is from the Planner Sophisticate and My Newest Addiction sampler that we went on a date night. I took my boyfriend out to sushi because of his promotion, obviously. I don't go to sushi all that often anymore. We went a lot in like a 2-3 year period maybe, and I got super sick of it, and now I'm like not ever into it, but he always still wants to go. So I was like, okay, I'll take you out for it. And then what I put right above that is I had to buy my Stagecoach ticket, which Stagecoach is a music festival, a country music festival down in Coachella Valley that I always go to with 2 of my best friends for my birthday every year. On Saturday, I took a quarter box from the kit, and then that like marble swell looking kind of water bottle is from a sheet from GP Sticker Studio. So I used that to mark my spin class. It was a really great class. I absolutely loved it. And then I marked that I was filming this plan with me. I took a bow from, I think, the Sophie colorway, I think from Clever Gal Crafts, and I layered it over a planner from the kit. And then I've been really liking doing this for my weekend banners. That weekend banner is from Rose Colored Days. I've been off-centering it and putting a piece of deco on the right side of it, and I think it looks really nice. Yeah, I don't know. I think I would have liked like maybe a little bit more deco, but I laid it down. I wasn't about to peel it back up. And then I took this laundry basket from the deco in the kit, which worked out perfectly because I had to do laundry yesterday. And then you can see that laundry sticker is from the Planner Sophisticate and My Newest Addiction sampler again. I love that sampler, and I wish some of those words like laundry and date night and a couple others from that sampler were offered as individual sheets, because the script is like my favorite. Her handwriting is so nice. And then I marked at the very bottom that I did a night at my boyfriend's house last night, and I used just a little heart from the kit and an appointment label. Today is Sunday. I slept in. Well, I plan to sleep in I didn't really. I got up at like 7:30, which I guess is like an hour and a half of sleeping in, but not as much as I would have wanted. um, those slippers that I'm putting down are from the deco in the kit. That blanket and eye mask is from My Newest Addiction, and then the foiled sleep in sticker is from Rose Colored Days. I have to go to Trader Joe's later today, like I always do, so I marked that at the bottom with the icon from the kit, and then that squad kind of planner sticker is to mark that I'm going to post this plan with me, and that's from the My Newest Addiction and Planner Sophisticate sampler. And then I didn't want to plan what I'm doing tonight because I don't really know. There's a lot of things that I need to do. I don't know what I'm actually going to do when it's Sunday. So I'm just putting some of this mauve and rose gold washi from Simply Gilded down at the bottom, just decorative to kind of fill up that space, and we'll get there when we get there. Yeah, I'm trying to show you some of the foils, zooming out. Oh, filling in my work schedule too. That's always, I'm sorry, I meant to cut this part out. I think it's so boring to watch this part. Although I guess, did I fill out that to-do list on camera? Who knows? I don't remember. But yeah, I should mention too, I am a PR girl for GP Sticker Studio, if you don't know already. So if you want to get this kit or any of her other kits, she's going to reopen back up soon after the PBC sale. You can always use the code LaurenPR20 for 20% off. It'll put the kits, if you're in the US, at right around $2 a sheet, which is awesome. So yeah, but that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!